Good morning, team. James Smith Academy. Some of you are probably wondering why and what are lifting straps. So as you can see, you get these from eBay. They're incredibly cheap. You will put one of these straps through this bit just so you can start to wear them on your wrist. Now, all I'm going to do is pop my hand through there and tighten, pop my hand through here and tighten. And one thing you'll notice is I always like the straps to be pointing in towards my hands. And why we'll get onto in just a second. If they're both pointing in the other direction, you can take it off and you just put it through the other way around. Cool, so come with me to the bar. So the exercise I'm going to be performing today is a Romanian deadlift. This is my last set. Now you don't have to be a genius. If you were to say what's stronger, my hamstrings or my forearms, of course it's going to be my hamstrings. So if your weakest part is your grip, your hamstrings are going to have an easy time if your hands can't hold onto the bar. So what I'm going to do here is wrap the straps around the bar. So when I place my hands on the bar here, the straps are very much available for me to wrap around. Now they don't even have to be tight, but you can see I've revved them around about 3 times. And now I've got the ability to move my hands wider. So I'm gonna move my index fingers to the same place on the knurling. And then from here, like I'm revving a motorbike handle, without the bar turning, I can tighten the straps. And by doing so, the bar is now gonna be attached to my hand. When I stand up, I don't have to hold the bar, I just have to hold the straps. So from here, I'm gonna hold the straps, I'm gonna come back onto my plate. Because my hamstring range of motion is pretty good for Romanian deadlifts, I can just focus on my form and not holding onto the bar. Then to release, if I just open my hands, they'll come undone. Use these for deadlifts and RDLs, but they're also really good for chin-ups, rows, everything like that. Sure, if you use these a lot, it will negate your grip strength. But at the end of the day, what's more important? Having a real sick, developed set of lats and biceps, or having forearms and better grip? The choice is yours. But when the lift or the muscle that you're targeting is more important than your grip strength, use straps.